Okay, previously we looked at changing one of the master pages to a style and layout that's suitable for you, by maybe rearranging things, adding your logo to a different location, changing the navigation bar to something that you prefer. Now it's a case of putting in some content to each of the pages, and the way to do that is really straightforward. It's sort of like Publisher and PowerPoint. You basically need to draw a text box using this tool here. It's the Creative Frame tool. So you draw one of them, and then it's basically a case of putting in some of the content. Now the second part of this is from Fronter. You should all have saved a copy of this ePortfolio checklist into your area, and now it looks something like this. It hopefully gives you an idea of what needs to go on each page, in terms of what files and stuff you need to attach, and also a little bit of the information that needs to go on there. So if we look at the home page, you can see that the home page needs your name and school, your candidate number, project title, and a sort of introduction or summary to the project. So we needed your name on there, we needed the college that you go to, your candidate number. Don't worry if you don't know that, we can get that sorted out. The project title, you can do it, and some kind of summary where you would just talk about all the sort of things that you need to do in the project itself, and that's how you start to add some of the content to it. Now if we look at the project management page, you'll see that I have went through it and tried to put in some content to give you guys an idea how you might lay it out. So there's an introduction to the page itself, there's the things that need to go on here. So we look at the checklist again, we'll see the different things. So you must attach your initial plan commentary, ongoing plan commentary. Now don't worry if you've not got an ongoing plan, you might have used it within the initial plan. Sources table commentary, and your project review. So you can now see the things that need to go on there. So we go back to that page, you'll see that I've created little links to those things that I've got from the checklist, along with a little bit of an intro, and just a little bit of info that says look at the links below to view my work. And that's how you start to add the content, but also how you start to use this checklist. Last little point, if it's green, then it's more than likely that you'll have done this commentary in Word, so it needs to be converted to PDF. If it's red, then it's going to be something that's already suitable, so you won't need to convert that to PDF. So your initial plan was in Excel. Excel is fine, doesn't need to be converted, and that's how you have a little look at that. And that's how you start to add in some content to the ePortfolio whilst using the checklist.